Sorry po.
You're down to?
Our last two shooting days.
Sa ilang shooting days ba ito?
Nine, parang
Ah, nine.
9 to 11 shooting.
So anong nauna? Yung pag-amin yung social media o paggawa niyo ng pelikula?
Ano nga ba nauna? First day namin was
last year.
December or January?
Kasi nung February lang yata kayo tama ba? ako?
Nauna po yung pag-shoot ng pelikula. Ayun na.
nauna
Parang
pag-shoot.
nauna po ata yun. Opo. Hindi rin kami sure eh.
Pero yun yan hindi ba naging mahirap para sa inyo na gumawa ng pelikula together? Kasi syempre, di ba, may halong relasyon eh. Medyo may mga conflicts kung meron man.
So muna po, nahihirapan ako sa fact na hindi ko pa nakakatrabaho si Khalil. And hindi ko siya alam kung paano siya magtrabaho. Hindi ko kasi siya nakilala bilang gano'n. So yung doon naman po sa side na mahirapan ako bilang karelasyon ko si Cal. Feeling ko hindi naman po kasi iba rin yung naging foundation ng relationship namin. And work is definitely separated from our relationship. So hindi naman siya naging hindrance sa akin.
When it comes to actually working with her, a challenge for us is to know if we are actually effective as an on-screen couple, if we actually can portray our roles well. Sobrang anxious ko ng first few shooting days. Lagi kong tinatanong si Direk Jade na,
Is it working?
okay ba? Nag-work ba kami?
Yeah.
Hindi namin alam kung
May
nag-work
chemistry
kami.
ba? Ganon.
Kasi it's one thing to create chemistry with someone you're not really in a relationship with. Pero kami kasi, hindi namin alam kung ano yung chemistry ba namin in real life. Is it actually effective in front of a camera? Or can we actually create chemistry for these characters? So it was a challenge for us and okay naman, it paid off. We got really good feedback from the producers.
Anong mga part na nailang kayo sa isa't isa?
Actually, in general lang to be actually in front of a camera.
Yeah, together, tapos
Babatuan ng linya kasi hindi namin talagang ginawa yun ever.
yeah, especially scenes wherein we just actually talk. Yung wala masyadong mabigat na eksena. Yung usap lang. Ako, honestly, doon ako nahihirapan kasi we should be different. Hindi dapat as Gabby and Khalil. Ang hirap sumakay sa character ng kilalang-kilala mo yung tao. Diba?
May kissing scenes kayo?
Secrets.
Meron. So this would be your first screen kiss if ever.
Secret. Well, ako, in my case, hindi ko first. Meron akong first ko was in film, Riding in Tandem. Pero abangan nyo na lang kung meron.
Eto.
I'm Zach, siya si Sarah.
Ikaw naman, Gab, first screen kiss mo to.
Wala pa po akong go signal from GMA. Hindi ko pa po
So hindi
malalaman.
pa,
Hindi ko pa po alam kung...
Pero ikaw ba, ready ka na ba?
O hindi.
Ready ka na ba for the...
Since this is my first film and PPP pa siya, let's see kung pasok na pasok siya sa script. If it's really for the story and for the character, then I'll be willing to.
Yung pag-amin nyo ba would be easier, at saka paggawa to ng pelikula, would be easier for you guys na matanggap ng publiko yung sa inyong dalawa despite na magkahiwalay kayo ng networks?
We're not asking naman for their approval. It's okay for us naman. I mean, basta kami, we're happy and we're working together. Hindi na kami masyadong nakikinig sa mga tao. We don't ask for their approval. And this movie is not actually about our relationship or whatsoever. It's really about the story talaga. It's a story that they should watch out for. Hindi naman yung relasyon namin or whatsoever.
Nahirapan ba kayong, sabi mo medyo habang proseso na
Yes.
pinagdaanan mo bago nagpaalam?
Yes.
Nahirapan ka ba magpaalam sa akin?
At first siguro, hindi naman sa nahirapan, pero of course, medyo mahabang proseso dahil hindi sila makadecide if it's the right thing to do for my career path, if it's on the right timing, or is it the proper movie for me, of how they market me. So, ako kasi talagang, I told them wholeheartedly I wanted to do the movie, not because of Khalil or not because of whoever. I really wanted to do it because of the story and may music sobrang malapit ako sa music. So may acting na, may music pa. It's the perfect film talaga to be the first film ko na I'd star in. So it's the perfect.
Natanong naman namin kayo, sabi niyo parang you want to work, di ba? Kayong dalawa sa isang
Open kayo,
proyekto,
di ba?
open kayo. di
We
ba?
were open.
Parang ito yung naging ano.
Yeah, we were open pero
Hindi sa pelikula, sa
kami
music.
we were open pero personally kami parang at first
Parang kaya ba? Parang
siguro it's not a priority muna. Siguro kung may opportunity pag-iisipan namin.
kami
Pero
kasi we are very, sa relationship kasi namin, hindi kami nakikialam sa work ng isa't isa. We have our individuality when it comes to our career, so we don't actually meddle with each other.
Yun ang agabi, kasi you have an individual careers, tapos hindi naman kayo magkalab. What made you decided to come out?
It's really the story po.
I mean, yung relasyon
the come
ninyo.
out,
Oo.
sorry.
Oo, di ba parang, di ba ikaw merong ginugroom sa yung collab team mo, kaya naman kahit saan pwede, parang merong mas may weight
Di ba kayo
sa'yo.
natakot na parang aminin?
Ano bang,
I guess it's
Siya yung unang namin.
sort of like hindi naman siya super importante pa sa amin, pero kasi I guess it's like nawala yung weight sa shoulder namin na
We have to hide.
we have to hide, nakaka-pressure din kasi na hindi pwede to, hindi pwede yan, whereas us being open pero not really, hindi naman kasi kami yung
Out na
hello
out.
everyone, this is
Parang,
us, we're
pag,
not
pag tinanong kami, yes, pero we don't actually share everything. Hindi naman kami yung public relationship talaga. So, hanggang dun lang siguro.
nagulat ba ang network sa'yo?
Or may pag-alam bang nangyari before na umamin? May ganun. Kasi syempre you're different network.
Yes. Actually, when it comes to GMA, I'm thankful naman na they respect my own personal life. Yun naman yung maganda sa kanila. And as long as naman I'm focused with my career and my goals and my work, hindi naman siya nagiging problema sa akin. Then they support me naman, whichever I want.
Ang may challenge mo sa inyo para sa promotion ko kasi parang hindi kayo
Oo nga. Actually, yun ang malaking question pa sa amin hanggang ngayon. Na hanggang ngayon, hindi rin namin alam kung paano po namin gagawin. But, we'll
bigla na lang akong
see.
dadaan dun sa camera.
Oo. Gagano na lang ako bigla sa
Pero
interview.
ba okay sa'yo mag-promote sa
As long as we get the right permission, I mean, everything and anything for the movie to be able to, promote it well to our target audience, syempre gagawin namin as actors. As long as it's totally fine with everyone, then why not?
How about you?
Same. As long as Jimmy approves of it. Pero if not
Na-discuss mo na
naman,
ba ito sa network? Yung possibility na
I think they're
Go.
talking na
I think it's more of the
internal,
producers
sila.
ng film.
So,
Meron
which,
kasing strategy sila, so let's see na lang.
kung papayag sila, then I'd be willing. But if not, I'll respect it.
Khalil, how do you find Gab sa pagpapasexy ng social media?
Oh my
Mga
God! Papasexy.
bathing suit niya.
Yeah,
Kaya approval ba yan sa'yo or something? Ano ba? Hindi
Well,
ka
ako,
ba?
I guess like you could say na whatever Gab wants, yung image that she wants to portray, it's actually just her being real, and I'm totally for that. I don't think it's mas hindi siya papasexy eh. It's actually her just really being comfortable with herself. And that's beautiful for me, for her to be totally free without any restrictions. She could just be herself, and I think that's great.
Anong point na tinanggap mo na yung sarili mo na kailangan mag-mature or kailangan naman, di ba, na magpa-sexy ng konti, ganyan, magsuot ng bathing suit na hindi nagtatago.
Ganun ba? Wala, it just popped na lang eh. Parang, and I don't think na may indication na, okay guys, I'm mature, I'm gonna do this. Parang, wala, parang eventually kasi you're just really comfortable. At first, syempre, nangangapa ka pa sa showbiz, nangangapa ka pa kung andun pa yung takot eh. But now, parang, I got to speak my mind more. I got to express myself more, which is good. So, ayun.
Okay.
Bago ba kayo pagiging open nyo sa isa't isa? Pinag-usapan nyo ba yan na magpo-post ka? Khalil, ikaw daw yung unang umamin, di ba? So,
Actually, di ko
pinag-usapan nyo ba yung pinaalam
Grabe
mo?
yung sa Tonight with Boy, di ba?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yung nangyari nun. So, syempre,
Diba?
binrief.
Sabi sa'yo, chill lang siya talaga eh. Ako
Pero
yung
pinaalam ba sa'yo? Nagulat ka dun sa
Binrief, yeah, tinawagan ko siya. Binrief kasi
niya.
kami sa, Tonight with Boy ako for Tatak Star Magic, a project that I was doing Star Magic. To promote it. And then they briefed me nga, nakakausapin ako about it. And then, I called her on the phone, tinanong ko yung possibility kasi alam natin na ang daming aminan dun sa Tonight with Boy. For sure, sabi ko, for sure, hindi ako makakatanggi dito, Boy. So, she agreed naman na, you know, wag mo nang i-deny kasi
sobrang nakakatawa
Yeah,
naman tayong
yeah.
dalawa kung magde-deny pa tayo.
Kasi
diba?
everyone can see us naman. We
And
go
there's
public.
nothing wrong about it. That time, I wasn't doing anything na with a love team. Wala na. And I had GMA released a statement na we're gonna be doing our own, we're gonna be working individual na. So, parang wala namang masama. So, nung lumabas yun, GMA asked me lang na, okay, so, are you okay na with this? Are you open? So, okay naman po.
Nakikita yung possibility na isa sa inyo magta-transfer sa network.
Dahil gusto niyo magkasama.
Mga ganon, pwedeng, di ba, if this love team works,
Unang-una po, ayaw nga po namin maging love team. Parang nag-aalo nga po kami na shocks love team ba tayo? Parang ayaw
Bakit kasi nung
namin.
pangalan namin kagabi?
Kagabi. Kagabi? Oo, kagabi.
Pangit, wag na.
Parang hindi eh. Parang pangit. Oo eh. Parang nakakatawa yun eh.
so hindi nyo naisip yung ganon, na pag-uusapan na minsan.
Oo, na kunyari, magpo-pursue kami bilang pair. Siguro kung maganda yung storya, tapos may isa pang offer game. Basta sa maganda yung storya. Pero like a love team talaga na may pangalan, yung certified love team, parang pass muna kami dyan. Oo.
Sabi niyo doon sa mga ibang alam naman natin mag-shota na pero hindi ko maamin. Pero kayo yung
May
nagpatunay.
pinatatamaan ka?
Wala naman po. Pero di ba may mga ganun, aamin lang sila pagka hiwalay na sila. Pero kayo, may natunayan yung pwede ba na ano sabi niyo
Kasi
sa
parang,
Communication, I guess, is a huge factor. Kailangan parehas kayong comfortable. And I think at the right time, mafe-feel nyo naman, I know there's tremendous pressure on our
Yes,
careers, and the market is, kumbaga yung pag-market ng isang love team, laking bagay din.
yeah, and yung mga hindi umaamin, it's their own decision. Maybe they want to protect their relationship. Maybe they just really want to protect their career for themselves. At the same time, enjoy their personal lives. So kami naman kasi, andun kami sa point na okay lang, I mean, bahala na. And we're secured naman na it's not gonna be a hindrance for our careers and for our individuality. So,
ano nagbago after niyo umahal? I mean, ano yung naging magkakaroon niyo? Parang may mga projects ba na hindi natuloy? Mga ganyan.
naman po.
Ano yung nangyari?
Mas magaan actually, mas totoo, mas totoo sa mga tao. And for us both, syempre, we can finally go out without questioning us. And andun yung mga bashers, syempre hindi naman natin
Ano
matutuloy.
yan?
We just really don't mind them, lalo na to si Kat talaga. Minsan ako pa yung tipong, ano ba to? Na-apektuhan ako for him. Parang, okay ka, I mean, okay lang to sa'yo. Siya talaga yung wala.
For the record, may 1 year na ba kayo?
We started dating in 2017.
So 1 year. So may 1 year na din, o more than. Mag 2 years na?
A bit more than a year.
Ha?
More than a year.
More than a year.
Pero Gabi, kaklaro ko lang kasi matagal na ililipat ka sa ABS. Nagsulat na ng ilang beses yan. Ano
Oo
ba
nga,
yung
actually,
tungkol
hindi
doon?
ko rin po alam kung saan po nang gagaling. Sa
thank
totoo
you.
lang. Kasi
Okay.
under contract ako with GMA, where we have constant communication with my network. So wala po talaga. I really don't know.
So
Maybe
walang
because
offer, wala namang offer
None.
whatsoever.
Maybe because I have a lot of friends sa ABS, or maybe Kalil is there, Julia, Katrina is there. So, hindi ko, pero no talaga. I'm really happy with my network.
Are you still open to work with Ruru kung mabibigyan ng chance?
As of now po, I don't think the network will do it. Kasi
Why?
they're creating separate careers for us. And Ruru is doing a good job in his own serial right now. And ako, I'm doing my own thing. So that's a good thing naman. And let's see in the future kung ano man yung sabihin ng network and kung okay yung storya.
Pero ano, sabihin, okay naman kayo? Do you still talk?
Yes,
Nagkaka-text, nagkakausap ba?
As in like texting and all that? No, we don't. But we're civil. Not civil. We're we're good with each other. Like, we're acquaintances.
Acquaintances, yun ang word. Magkasama kayo sa movie, no? Sorry.
Oh, yeah,
How
yeah.
does it feel working together in the movie? Sorry, Alec.
Yeah, like what we said kanina, nung una, actually hindi talaga namin pinlano or inisip na makakasama namin isa't isa sa isang pelikula. Nung pinag-usapan namin before na what if dumating ang point na may nag-offer sa atin, anong gagawin natin? Nung una sabi namin wag muna.
Yeah, we were
kasi
really hesitant to
hesitant
work
na.
with each other.
Pero-
Tsaka ayaw kasi namin i-out na out yung relationship. Ayaw kasi
Correct,
parang
correct.
okay lang na sabihin namin, yes, we're together. Pero ayaw naman yung balandra talaga levels,
Oo,
diba?
oo.
Parang hindi rin kasi,
Nagkipiyestahan tayo.
lalo na,
Hindi naman ganun. Kasi-
Tsaka lalo na kay Khalil, hindi niya personality yun, diba? Why would we go there?
Hindi naman work yung foundation ng relationship namin. Siyempre, we're from different networks, never kami nagkatrabaho.
Never talaga.
We
Hindi ko
just
siya,
met through common
hindi ko
friends.
siya kilala bilang katrabaho eh. I don't know how his
Ngayon
work
lang niya ako
ethics.
nakita magtrabaho.
So ano yung na-discover nyo? Working with
bilang
each other?
katrabaho,
Kasi
oo.
syempre di ba?
Ibang magkarelasyon sa magkatrabaho eh.
Yun nga,
What is covered?
nung dumating nga yung script sa amin, I guess it convinced us to be able to work with each other dahil maganda yung kwento, maganda yung mga character. Then eventually when the shooting started, nung una nagpapakwento na siya sa akin kung paano ba ako magtrabaho kasi inaamin niya sa akin, natatakot daw siya sa akin.
Natatakot ako. Natatakot ako kay Cal kasi no bias Walang lang pagbubuhat ng bangko ni Khalil. Pero
Magaling,
napaka-husay
Magaling,
na
di ba?
actor.
Oo,
Ah,
correct.
seriously.
Magaling naman
Eh, magaling
talaga.
kasi talaga. At napanood ko yung Too Good to Be Forgotten, yung
Magaling siya.
Honor Thy Father. Ako
Honor.
husay. Hello, ako first film ko. Alam mo yung grabe yung kaba ko, na sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng magpakain sa kay Khalil sa eksena.
Okay.
So parang tanong ako
May pressure
sa
tuloy,
kanya.
no?
Oo,
Oo.
grabe yung
Pressure siya, yeah.
pressure ko. Pero tulungan naman tulungan. So he helped me a lot.
It's good na may ganun kaming communication, at least nasabi niya sa akin. Tapos, it was my job to make her feel comfortable. Syempre, I wouldn't want to go on the set with her being, very anxious kung magagawa ba niya itong
Tsaka
eksena.
pag nasa
Tulungan
set
talaga.
kami, walang partner, walang ganon.
Wala.
Trabaho, sasabihan niya ako na, dito, huwag ka bumitaw dito, huwag ka bumitaw. Ganon, very, parang, thank you.
May advantage ba na you're portraying na ano kayo, magjowa kayo, pero you're portraying as jowa in the movie?
Merong maraming challenges din. Kasi yung first few scenes namin,